Hello and namaste, this is me Horia Malamagor and welcome back to ITHub channel. Today I'm here with another new video, and in this video I will show you how we can format our Redmi 7A mobile. So please watch this video till the end. Hit the subscribe buttons if you haven't subscribed ITHub channel yet, and give me a thumbs up if you like it, and do share with your friends and family if you think that this video is helpful to them. Well, let's get into the main part of this video. First you have to turn off your phone, and after this you need to keep holding power up and power buttons together for a few seconds in your phone. But in some cases you need to press volume down keys and power button together. It's because of different version of Android. And once you see the Redmi logo on your phone, you can release buttons. After that you will see main menu with three different menus. They are reboot, wipe data, connect with Yama Assistant, and for now we need to select wipe data, and this can be done with the power button key. That's all. Now we are about to format our phone. Now that's done. Now our job is done. Now it's time to set up our phone. It will take a few minutes, not exactly minutes, seconds. So this is a setup wizard. Select your region and your language. So it has directed two SIM cards inside this phone, and I'm going to accept terms and conditions. Click next. So here you can see a basic setting. So click accept. Wait a few seconds. So from here you can sign up your MA account, but for now I'm going to skip this option, and here you can set the password, so I'm going to skip this for now. So here is the additional settings. Click next. Choose the theme. Currently there are two themes, so click one of your favorite, and we are done.